Hey guys, Nick Miller today from Merck Supply Company. Today I have for you a very unique package. So this is a second piece out of a package that we just did a video on. This is a 2020 John Deere 1025R complete package. It's going to have the 120R quick detach front loader with the John Deere quick attach bucket. That is a 54-inch bucket. It's going to have turf tire package. It's going to have on the rear a 260B subframe mount backhoe attachment with something very unique. It has a hydraulic factory John Deere thumb that was installed. It has a diverter valve, and how it works is as you curl and uncurl the bucket, the hydraulic thumb works. Rubber street pads, extra light kit. It has obviously remote hydraulic to the rear. It also has front auxiliary hydraulics on it. Okay, this tractor has 63 hours on it. I'm kind of getting ahead of myself. Sold new September 18th of 2020, and it is under John Deere's limited basic warranty until 6/18 of 2026. So that's powertrain. Now, this belonged to a very good friend and customer of ours. We originally bought out his landscape business back in 2016. He bought some new equipment and to play with at home, 100% residential use. He has decided now to downsize that due to some health concerns, and we have an 18-hour 997R we have for sale. We now have this 63-hour 1025R complete package for sale, and tomorrow we'll have the third item out of that package, and we'll let that one for tomorrow so you can see what it is. Pretty cool piece. So, walk up here with us real quick. We're going to show you what all comes with this. When I say that this is a massive package right here, this is exactly what it is. Deflector is with it for the side of the deck. He put a John Deere mulching kit on it. It is on there and we left it on there. It also comes with a full set of 3-point hitch arms that were used maybe 1 or 2 times. The original deck guards for your drive over are there. He did put the easy lift kit on it so that you can hook onto it with the quick attach of the John Deere tractor to wash it out from underneath. He did not use the toolbox. He did remove that. All the componentry is there for it. This is the original guard for that mower also. There again, he put the other style on it. Will come with a brand new unused 16-inch bucket, a brand new unused 8-inch bucket, and a used one-time frost ripper or ripper shank tooth. The bucket that is on the backhoe was never used itself either. It actually come with the shank on it. That's how he had requested the dealer to put it on there, and he never did use the other bucket, which we're going to walk you back here and show you. We might as well go under the hood, right, Matt? So, under the hood of this tractor, this is going to be powered by a John Deere, or what is actually a Yanmar engine from John Deere, or for John Deere, I should say. So this does have 3-cylinder Yanmar diesel engine. Starts and runs excellent, obviously. It still has warranty on it. We did go ahead, went to our local John Deere dealer, West Central Equipment. We did purchase a full service kit for this. All filters and oils are changed. We wanted to do that so that it was done, it was taken care of. No customer had to worry about it whenever they received it, that it was serviced and taken care of. So, up front here, which obviously you will see right here, male and female, power beyond in the front. So if you wanted to add something such as a grapple, a power angle snowplow, you have that ability to do that. Very expensive option. Does have your level gauge indicator right here. 60D AutoConnect deck. Coming here to the back, which you will see again, this 12-inch bucket is brand new. Thumb is brand new. What John Deere does is they run a splitter valve up here. It's going to split the power off of this cylinder. It's going to allow that as you curl out. It's going to allow that thumb to work. It is extremely cool little setup, which I'm going to operate it here for you and show you everything works. Does have the rubber street pads right here on it, which is nice. Does also have the cylinder lock kit there on it. Swing pin is there. Everything is there for that. It does have the step over here for whenever the outriggers are up. This is a step kit to allow you up onto the tractor. Makes it a little nicer. Does also have this grab handle kit to allow you to get on. Folding roll bar, auxiliary lights. This gentleman was into all kinds of lights. He always had the cool stuff. There's no doubt about that. And Gary always went the extra mile there to have a lot of nice equipment. And I always say he done things first class for sure. Armrest package, we're going to show you right here. 63 hours. Tilt wheel. Up here is going to be for your front auxiliary hydraulics. The rear auxiliary hydraulics are powered through the backhoe. So guys, I've done a lot of research on these tractors. This tractor today, just tractor, loader, and backhoe with your belly mower, you're at $33,000 plus from your John Deere dealer, depending on what deal they may have at that time. That is not including the hydraulic thumb kit, the lights, your 3-point kit, these extra buckets, the frost stripper, the other kit here that he installed for the mower deck so that you can lift it up the front loader arms. There's obviously, I mean, there's a $1,600 or $1,800 front hydraulic kit on here. So this tractor, the way it sets right now, best case scenario, they told me you'd be between $37,000 and $38,000 in this package. So there is a massive savings in this tractor. Yes, there is still warranty on this tractor, and truthfully is a like-new tractor. Stuff like this today, in my opinion, is extremely hard to find. You'll find some nice stuff out there, but this is something that is like new piece. I even hate for it to be sitting outside here. It came in last week. We just got time to get it serviced, do that holiday weekend, and got it cleaned up and ready to go. It was kept inside. It's not faded. It's not anything like that. It's a very, very nice piece. You'll be very satisfied with it. I do also have the books and manuals to it. I'm going to fire this tractor up. We're going to run it around. The shade does everything it's supposed to. Here we go. So, little tractors like this. I love stuff like this because, one is I know the gentleman personally. Biggest thing with a lot of this stuff is today, I buy a lot of private stuff. I like to buy private stuff. There again, we generally either know the customer, know somebody that they know, and again, I like to buy that kind of stuff because anybody can go out and buy auction sale stuff. Four-wheel drive working, but again, we like to buy that private stuff. Or we work with a lot of dealers and buy dealer trades, which is nice also. The majority of the time, they're trading. The dealer knew about the machine, maybe it took care of it. There, I'm going to turn on the four-ways, headlights, all that stuff works. That was low range and four-wheel drive. Now I'm going to go ahead and go to high range. I'll have Matt take a look there. Under the bucket, you can see there the factory paint still on the bottom of the bucket. And primarily, all he did with this was the hours were accumulated from mowing with this tractor is what he done. So we are on 2100 mid shaft. Nice and quiet on the deck. Shut it out. There it is. So you can see there, power steering. Obviously, a lot of nice features on this tractor. I'm gonna hop over here right now. Now, one nice thing I really liked on this tractor, which you're gonna see here in a sec. We'll go ahead and let that down. So, on this particular tractor, yes, it'd be nice if I actually flip the little lever. It does have the outrigger holders. It has those rubber street pads. So on this tractor, you're simply going to tilt the front seat forward and check that out. Then your backhoe seat actually folds down. You're not messing around spinning the seat, anything like that. So this is a 260B. Does have that nice side step, which a lot of the 1025Rs, the older ones, did not have. We're going to go ahead and take out the boom locking pin and the swivel pin. They both go in their storage compartment, just like that. So, there again, you can see brand new bucket on there. It has not been used. Hasn't dug anything. I mean, it's just an immaculate piece there again. I want everybody to understand that. And here is something that is just absolutely cool. We're gonna click that diverter valve. You're gonna bring that down and then it's gonna get tight. Now, also how that works is this. So let's say you have, and I am gonna stick these teeth on the ground. Let's say you're grappling a log, okay. Well, now you're gonna get that thumb in the position you want it, and as the teeth on the bucket start to get tight, what it's going to do, and again, let me replicate that a little bit. So let's just say right there, what's gonna do, the path of least resistance, and then they are going to get tight together. So much like a skid steer grapple does with your two independent tops, you know, they're both gonna move, and the bucket's gonna go back dead and out, gonna bring the cylinder back up for the grapple. There again, if I take and hold the bucket in that position, it's going to bring the path of least resistance first, and then they're going to go ahead and tighten up together, all right? So this is an extremely, extremely nice option from John Deere. To even have this size of tractor with a hydraulic thumb is just absolutely amazing. You generally don't see that till you get into a lot of your bigger, more industrial compact loader backhoes, and you know, the fact that John Deere actually has this is just simply amazing. Expensive kit there. If you're somebody still on a pile fire wood, if you're setting little rocks, you got a paver patio that you want to build, and there I just shut the diverter off, okay? Now you don't have that function, okay? Which is great. I mean, that is just absolutely, as far as I'm concerned, an extremely cool option from John Deere. And seriously, on this particular tractor, extremely cool option to have, and extremely well thought out and well executed as far as I'm concerned in how it functions and how it operates. So what we'll do, we're gonna go ahead, we're gonna put our swing lock pin back in. So let's get it centered up. Okay, and we're back in. Now, we're gonna go ahead and grab our boom locking pin, and in the hole it goes. We're gonna go ahead and pick up our outriggers. Matter of fact, now, you see how this one here just goes ahead and locks? What I'm going to do, I'm gonna utilize that step. And Matt, come over here once, we'll show you that. You see the little step kit it has here? Very, very nice step kit. Basically allows you to have that step access right there. Very nice kit. Comes over, locks in, done. Very, very nice. Fold that seat back up. We're going to go ahead, put our seat back down, and we're going to hop back on the tractor. We're going to go ahead and select our range back to high. Now, one thing I'll do, it does have, again, the auxiliary hydraulics, and you can hear it hold the motor down. That is the auxiliary hydraulics out front, all operating the way they're supposed to. Four ways, turn signals, cruise control. You do have tilt wheel here. Your turn signals, four ways again. You do have your side remote lights. Switching back here to neutral, I'm gonna walk my park brake on. Guys, again, this is a extremely nice 63-hour unit, not a 300 or 400-hour unit, which they're asking stupid money for right now. You are buying a complete package, understand that. So you cannot compare this. Don't call us and compare us to some guy that has a 150-hour 1025R that's a 2018 with no mower deck and no hydraulic thumb kit, no front auxiliary hydraulics. let's face it, this is a Cadillac package in a 1025R. The only thing it doesn't have is a factory installed cab. But if you looked at some of the factory installed cabs, in my opinion, I think they're a little antiquated in my opinion. That's just me. But if you are looking for, in my opinion, the ultimate package, this is the ultimate package, in my opinion, of a 1025R series tractor. So again, let's recap. A 120R quick attach front loader, 54-inch John Deere quick attach bucket. If you're looking for a set of forks, we do offer those and sell them. Let us know, we'll be glad to price you on those. A 60-inch 60D AutoConnect deck with John Deere mulching kit. But don't be alarmed if you don't want a mulching kit. You do still have your factory deflector, your factory drive over ramps. It does have the installed kit here to allow you to hook that mower deck onto the front loader to be able to clean it easy. Even if you want to put it up against a wall for storage, it's nice for that. Factory toolboxes with it laying down there. 3-point hitch kit comes with a 8, a 12, a 16, and a frost ripper tooth. That is all there. Hydraulic thumb, front auxiliary power beyond or power beyond auxiliary remote hydraulics, operated off your thumb switch on your joystick loader control. Does have that nice footstep on the left side for accessing the backhoe. Does have the newer style seat. You don't have a swivel seat, you actually have a real seat on the backhoe attachment. So please understand, this is a nice package, and I am going to price this tractor extremely reasonable in the market. You would see most guys be a few $1,000s cheaper than a new one in this type of package situation. I'm not going to be, we're going to be thousands upon thousands of dollars less than a new one. So if you have any questions, 814-658-3066. Please let Matt or Nick know. We'll be glad to help you. Please keep in mind and understand this does have limited basic, which is John Deere's powertrain warranty until September 18th, 2026. And again, tomorrow we will have the last piece of this package as far as the John Deere equipment goes. It will be listed tomorrow. We'll gladly show you that. If you'd like to make a deal, give us a call, 814-658-3066. As always, thank you very much for checking out Mark's Supply Company. Have a great day.